So hello, how's it going? It's like a first live stream. I don't know. Help me close that to block off some of the light. Just drop the actual one. Yes. Yes. Okay, okay. So I hope you can see me. And by the way, I'm doing this on mobile, so expect those inconsistencies. There are several stuffs I can't just take my time out to bring out. Okay, this includes I can't actually I do videos every single time, but I can't put all of them together every single day and edit all these videos and put all this content together. So I actually thought this is actually the first live stream, and this I'm doing this live from my phone, so expect those inconsistencies here and there. So one thing is I want to talk about Bitcoin's price, what I think is happening to it, and where I think it could go on the short term and also on the long term. So if any of that interests you, please like the video. I can see some of you are on the live stream right now. Please like the video, share this video, bring more people into this content, and just enjoy. Just enjoy. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We're doing a crypto giveaway every single week. You don't want to miss that. So a lot of people have this wrong perception that Bitcoin is actually just collapsing, whereas what we have is a global issue actually. Okay, the US stock market is actually taking a hit. It's taking a downturn, and once there are these inconsistencies in world economy, you should expect crypto to actually take a hit also. One thing you should know is practically everyone who is investing in cryptocurrencies or speculative assets are also investing in the native stock market or normal stock market. So once you have these people in a fearful region, okay, where they are scared of the economic uncertainties rather, and just basically anything that troubles the economy, troubles their money, troubles their emotions, you should expect this downturn in any single sector. Currently, the stock market took a huge hit, A lot of stocks are currently down. A lot of stocks are currently down. The US stock market and also the global stock, not just the US stock market per se. Currently, even here, most of our stocks are down. They're performing terribly, terribly bad. Okay, so the US stock market. That's basically what has been causing the crash. And I actually think we'll go further downwards. This the part nobody wants to hear. Once the year we're going down, we're crashing down. Nobody wants to hear that. But 10K is actually psychological support. We might hold that for some time. But I don't actually think Bitcoin is going to hold 10K. Okay. I actually told my team on Team 100X, we're on the team. Congratulations, you saved yourself some stress. I told them to convert most of their holdings to USDT, and they're going to be holding that for probably the rest part of the month until the dust settles. So long as that is not clear, actually, I had to put the post out today, and I was like, the Fed, please print money and just save us, okay? So if the US Fed prints more money and just there is liquidity everywhere, people goes out to buy stocks and assets again, we can probably see an uptrend. But for now, what you should expect is a continuation of this downtrend. Okay, not like it's guaranteed, but I can tell you it's almost sure that we're going to see lower levels. Okay, we're going to see lower levels. 10K is a psychological support that can hold for some time, but I don't think it's going to hold forever. With investors getting wary, some of them they just go out and they're like, okay, let's just take profit. At least we made a little amount on this, and they just go all out and sell. So that's why we're seeing that massive dump, and I think we could still go really, really down. I think there are some levels we will never ever break. Okay, and the level I think we'll never break is around the $7,600 level. I don't think we can actually ever break that. That will actually be putting in a higher low on the macro time frame. So it means it's still completely very bullish for Bitcoin, because I am bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies on the long term. Even if I'm telling you I think there is still further downside, we can still go down. I actually think we are in a bull market and we're going to see massive gains. Okay, so at that point, we're still putting just a higher low, and we should expect we should expect fireworks from there. We should expect fireworks from there. And of course, if we stay in this region for a very long time, it's going to actually be the force we need to propel the next massive move that is going to be great. Okay. So looking at the key levels from the Bitcoin chart, I can pull that up because I'm on my mobile. I actually think we are going to break below 10K today. Yeah, it's bad. Nobody wants to hear that. Of course, nobody wants to tell you that we're going to break 10K. I believe we're going to break below 10K today. And so many people argue that it's probably because of the CME gap that we're having this downturn, which I don't think that has nothing to do with this downturn. This downturn completely has to do with the stock market. And of course, these are completely correlated assets. So once the stock market takes it, let me not use the word correlated assets. People tend to misinterpret that. It is the behavior of the investors. The same people investing in stocks are the same people investing in cryptocurrencies. So once they are in a region where they are scared, you should expect that downturn to just come into all the markets. So I don't think we're going to have that decoupling as people say it. Okay, where that decoupling is going to come, for your information, everybody knows. Even gold fell. The almighty gold that is a store of value that everybody is supposed to run to, where when there is this economic uncertainty, gold fell also. Gold fell massively. Gold fell massively also, alongside cryptocurrencies and everything. So the basic thing is, once there is this uncertainty, some people just move their funds. They are willing to just hold cash and hope to buy lower. Some of them just hold cash and just use their money for whatsoever, and they just go all out and sell. So that's practically what we're suffering right now. And I think we'll go lower and lower. What the levels I think we won't break, probably around that $7,700, $7,600 level. We'll never go below that. So we are still in a complete bull market, guys. Don't panic. Don't sell your cryptos. And if you're holding a huge amount of any crypto, probably I won't say go change your crypto to USDT. I believe it's a bit too late for you to do that, because we can completely also have a bounce off from here. Since 10K is not a super level, okay, the level we have there is around the $9,700 level, but 10K is like a psychological support. Everybody goes on 10K Bitcoin. You know, people see that as a standard. So once they see Bitcoin at 10K, everybody tends, some people tends to want to buy Bitcoin. So we're going to have that level hold for some time. So where's the chart? Where's Bitcoin currently?
10,000.
10,000 what? Just 10,000. 10,031. Okay. It's been fluctuating there. It's been like 10,000 from 10,007, from around 10,007 to around 10,090. It's been there since morning. Okay, we're going to see Bitcoin hold this level. Basically, it's a psychological level. Everybody just goes 10K Bitcoin. They see the standard, and of course, nobody wants BTC to go below 10K. Everybody wants BTC to hold that 10K level. So people tend to buy at that price point. I actually think we'd see lower. Today is actually, I think, the Labor Day in the US. So they have this, I think, an holiday or something. By tomorrow, that's where we're going to actually know what's going to happen. I told every member of my team, I said, leave fundamental and technical analysis out of this completely, because we are in a region. If you check the fear and greed index, we are currently in a fearful zone. Okay, so people tend to sell. People tend to just dump on the market. Some of them just want to take profit. Some of them just want to save their funds and save themselves the stress. And of course, those are the weak hands, as most of you say. Hello, Silver Flix. I can see you. Thank you for joining the broadcast, and thank you for your message. Okay, so some people will say those are the weak hands. I don't actually. Sorry, I can't actually get that. Okay. So some people will say, okay, I can see 4 people live. Please smash the like button. I'm not seeing any likes on this video, which, by the way, is not encouraging at all. So a lot of people will actually say, sorry, by tomorrow, rather, when this holiday has actually settled, that's where you know, because we are in a fearful zone currently. Some people just go all out and start to dump on the market. Of course, they are taking profits. You won't actually blame them. CME gap, okay. Silver Flix, I think we're going to feel that CME gap. I think we're going to feel that CME gap today. I actually believe we're going to feel that a lot quicker. Turn it off. I actually thought we were going to feel that a lot quicker. Okay, we've actually Off, please, off. I actually thought we were going to feel that a lot quicker. We've actually gone. I think the lowest level we've gotten to, we wicked as low as 9,800. I think we got there. I think that semi gap is around the 9,650 to $700 level. I think we're going to feel that gradually. And of course, I don't know, but I think we're going to go below 10K anyway. Nobody knows what's going to happen. 10K is like a psychological support and everybody tends to buy there. But I think we're going to go below that. We're going to go below that. So just put that at the back of your mind. I'm not trying to scare you. Don't go thinking I'm saying BTC is going to capitulate and everything is going to go down. But I think the level we're not going to go below is probably around the $7,600 or $7,700 level. Around that range, we're not going to go below that. But for now, I think we're going to be seeing lower levels. We're going to be seeing lower levels. If we break 10K, I think the next stop is around 10.7. We're going to fill that gap. And if nothing happens there, I think we're going to go lower. We're going to go lower. So if you have any questions concerning Bitcoin, concerning cryptos in general, and you want any idea of what you should do currently, don't worry, just drop them and I'm going to look into them just right now. Okay. So that's basically what we're going through, guys. It's all about the stock market. It has nothing to do with cryptocurrencies. It has nothing to do with any of that stuff. It's about the stock market and about the state of mind of investors currently. So long as investors are fearful, you should expect more downturn. And of course, one of my guys pointed out to thoughts on Chainlink. Okay, I'm going to talk about that. One of my guys, a very close friend, a YouTuber, he pointed out to the March crash, the Corona dump. Okay, and he said we might see that kind of a dump. And of course, I think the level that if we see that kind of a severe dump, the level that is going to hold us is around that $7,700 level. So on Chainlink, basically, I love Chainlink. I think Chainlink is the king of decentralized oracles. Probably some people argue it's not decentralized. Anyway, we're not going to go into that. But I believe Chainlink is actually the king of oracles. And I think there is massive upside potential for Chainlink. If I'll tell you to, I won't tell you to go buy Chainlink right now. Like, I won't tell you to buy any cryptocurrency right now. Okay. If cryptos are going to bounce off from here, I may just do another video and say, go ahead and buy cryptocurrencies. But for now, I think what I'll tell you to do is if you want to buy Chainlink and other cryptocurrencies, set a very low buy order, probably somewhere around $10 or less. Okay, somewhere around below $10. Set your buy orders around that range. So in case we just have a brief week, you can actually pick up those currencies for that discounted price. And if we don't actually get that week, then you can just go ahead and buy. But I think we're going to see lower levels. So Chainlink is great. My best oracle so far. Okay, I love Chainlink. I love Band Protocol. The reason I actually had to pick out these cryptocurrencies because I actually pick out ecosystems I invest into. So on Ethereum, I have Chainlink. On Cosmos, I have Band Protocol. Then on Polkadot, okay, that also I'm looking at a service currently that I'm going to be buying into. So Chainlink is great, a brilliant one. It's wonderful, and I think you should actually get yourself some. Probably not now because I think we're going to see further downturn. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for joining this live stream. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm willing to attend to all of that right now. We have 5 persons watching live. Please smash that like button, please. Smash the like button. I can see very few likes on this video. Just go ahead and smash that like button. Okay. So about the broader markets, I actually think we're going to see lower levels. We're going to see really lower levels. I'm not trying to scare you. I actually told my team earlier to get their funds and move to USDT. So most of them, they're holding USDT positions, and some of them they started buying up some coins, the ones they love. So like yesterday, I bought some Atom, some Cosmos tokens. I got some few. It went down lower than I got it anyway. I'm still going to get some. Okay, so if you're holding more USDT, you can get into some few cryptocurrencies, but still hold most of your positions in USDT because I think we're going to go lower, guys. We're going to go lower. I think the worst case scenario is around the $7,600 level. And currently, I think even if we're going to bounce off, I think we're going to feel that CME gap. We're going to touch 9,700, and that's a critical level. We can actually bounce off from there. By the way, 10K is just a psychological level, so I think we're going to break below that. we're going to break below that. Hey, bring my baby for me. I think we're going to break below that.
Want to go?
Okay. Just say hi. Hello, look at the camera, sweetheart. Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi. Okay, so I actually think we're going to break below that. That's just a psychological level, and I don't think we can actually hold that for long term. Okay, so any more questions about Bitcoin, about cryptocurrencies, about whatsoever that you have in mind before I actually end this live stream today? This is actually the first live stream. I'm doing this on mobile, so just expect those inconsistencies, and I'm very sorry. I'm going to improve the setup, and you're going to get the best. You're going to get the best after this, and we're going to be doing live streams because I can't record videos on news. I can't record videos on some of those stuff before I won't even publish them. Probably it's way past time. So for contents like that, I'm going to be doing a live stream steady on that, probably news, crypto news, maybe once or 2 times every single week. I don't know. I'm going to structure that out, and we're going to start that. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. With no more questions and nothing there, let's just put this stream to a close. Things to take away: I think this is not a Bitcoin or cryptocurrency problem. It's about the broader markets. Stocks are going down. The faith in the economy is actually dying. That's why we're experiencing all this. I think the Fed can just print more money and save us anyway, even if we all believe that's completely against what they should be doing. But they are doing it anyway. They've been doing it since March, and they've actually took the markets up. They can just continue. There is nothing wrong with them just continuing that trend. So we can actually see good moves for our beloved Bitcoin. More liquidity coming into the markets, people losing faith in the government. They will actually bring all that money to cryptocurrencies, or let me say most of that money to cryptocurrencies. So we can actually see that steady grind up. Okay, so that I think we're going to break below. We're going to be seeing probably the $9,700 level, maybe less. If we break that, I think we're going to be seeing the $8,100 level. If we break that also, then probably we should expect somewhere around the $7,600 level. So thank you very much for joining this live stream, guys. That's just it. It could be worse. Anyway. Worst case scenario, Bitcoin goes to zero. I don't think that's ever going to happen anyway. And I don't even want that to happen. Don't go quoting me on that. Okay, but that's like the worst case scenario. Okay, so I actually see a massive some more dump coming. So if you're buying cryptocurrencies, be very careful now. Hold more of your positions in USDT. Okay, so thank you, guys, and I'm going to end this one here. Thank you very much for the support, and I promise to improve this setup massively for our next video. So peace out, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Please smash the like button. And of course, we're doing a cryptocurrency giveaway every single week on the channel, so don't forget to follow up all that content, guys. Have a fantastic time.